quick video on, I think it's pronounced KUO HORNG or whatever. I just call it K&H. I hate saying that name. But the one thing that makes this fan unique to me is I haven't seen one of these before in a 9-inch. And this is the first 9-inch fan that I've ever gotten in my collection that has a real spin-off knob. Never seen that before. Usually you just pull them off, pull them on. Trying to put the front cover back on real quick. Bought this fan off eBay. They wanted 75 bucks for it, and it was all bent up and smashed in. I said no, and I talked them down. But I still don't really care for what I paid for it, but whatever. Oscillates, of course. Actually a quiet fan. It's off a good amount of air. Spin down. Just a little C-frame motor. But out of all the 9-inch fans I've ever seen, I am still a big fan of my Tatung. I use that every night, quiet as hell. Good breeze. Good fan. And there you have it. 9-inch KUO HORNG or whatever.